What if a remote Texas town held the key to the world's clean energy future? A $7 billion bet says it does. Welcome to Future Forward, where technology, climate, and industry collide to shape tomorrow. If you're passionate about sustainability and want to see the future being built in real time, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Oh, you know what e-Methanol is? By the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't before. In the heart of Matagorda County, Texas, HIF Global is building something historic, the first large-scale e-fuels facility in the world. When completed, it will produce 1.4 million tons of e-methanol annually, enough to fuel global shipping fleets, be refined into eSAF for aviation, or even e-gasoline for your car. But this isn't just another green startup dream. This is real. It's fully permitted, with feed and pre-feed engineering completed, and agreements in place with Mabanaft and Idemitsu, two international energy giants. And yes, the facility will also recycle a jaw-dropping 2 million tons of CO2 per year to build this. It'll take a peak construction force of 4,000 workers, bringing a wave of economic activity into rural Texas. Post-construction, 140 full-time jobs, plus hundreds more indirectly supported in supply chains, maintenance, and logistics. But what powers this enormous machine? 1.8 gigawatts of electrolyzer capacity. That's the backbone of green hydrogen production, which, combined with captured CO2, becomes e-methanol. Let's break that down. Water is split into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity from renewables. Carbon dioxide is pulled from the air or industrial sources. The two are synthesized into a liquid fuel, completely renewable, drop-in compatible, and carbon-neutral. No drilling, no fracking, no dependence on volatile global oil markets. And that's not just good for the climate, it's good for national energy security. But what happens when federal support gets shaky? While the technology is ready, the politics are not. Projects like HIF Matagorda depend on clean hydrogen tax credits from the Inflation Reduction Act. But with current political shifts, these credits are under threat from budget cuts and ideological battles. If the credits are reduced or killed, the entire cost structure of green hydrogen changes, and so does America's position in the global energy race. Already, China is scaling up synthetic fuel production. Europe is investing heavily. If the US pulls back now, we risk losing $1 trillion future industry before it even starts. Pause, take a breath. Ask yourself, do we want to lead or follow? The HIF Matagorda facility is more than a power plant. It's a message that clean fuel isn't science fiction. It's engineering, economics, and ambition. The future is being built right now. And it's being built in Texas. Which side of history will we be on? Drop a comment below. Should governments continue subsidizing green fuel development, or let the market decide? Like if you believe in a cleaner future. Subscribe to Future Forward for deep dives on energy, innovation, and the boldest projects on Earth.